Hey everybody, it is Freddy Voodoo here from YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing another Amazon unboxing. I just got this in today, so let's get this thing cracked open, shall we? Okay, so there's only two items in here. Ugh. Okay, the first item is a great pumpkin. It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown, one of my all-time favorites. And the other item in this box is Scooby-Doo meets Batman. So yeah, there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's mystery Amazon unboxing video. Subscribe to my channel if you want. This is for right now. This is Freddy Voodoo of YouTube.com signing off. Peace out, gangstas. Bye.